with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon. Here we are on this Friday, and we've had a roller coaster in temperatures this week. Started off warm, cooled way down. Now we're warm again. And today we hit 79 degrees, 10 degrees above the average. But look at how cold it was this morning, bottoming out at 36 degrees at the airport in Corpus Christi. Well, the temperatures right now are still pretty warm inland. We're at 80 degrees right now at Alice, but at Port Aransas, 66 degrees, in Corpus Christi, 73. That wind picked up today right along the coastline, and you can see those south-southeast winds bringing that wind up to 20 miles an hour in Corpus Christi and bringing in moisture from the ocean. So we are going to see, with higher humidity, the potential for some fog tonight. As we still have our clear skies, we'll start to cool down and that fog will form. And as we go into the early morning hours tomorrow, it could be dense, especially inland. Coast side, right at the beaches, I don't expect dense fog, but inland, we're looking at the dense fog through about 8 o'clock, and then it starts to lift by mid-morning. Visibilities are good for the next few hours. Here is the fog tracker, and the visibilities are pretty high all the way through midnight. But as we get past midnight, we start to see them dropping down as the fog becomes thicker, with half-mile visibility by 4 inland, and then you can see really dropping off between 6 and 8 in the morning. Right along the beaches, not bad, just light fog. But as you go inland, including Corpus Christi, there could be some dense fog around early in the day tomorrow. It's not going to be as cool tonight either. Temperatures only drop into the upper 40s to lower 50s inland, and close to 60 right at the coast tonight. So certainly not as cold. 53 degrees in Corpus Christi with that south-southeast breeze. That's going to warm us up again tomorrow, but not quite as much, especially coast side. You'll cool down a little bit, including Corpus Christi. Not quite as warm because of that southeasterly wind coming in off of that cooler water. But nevertheless, we're still above average. We'll have more clouds tomorrow, and we'll have that morning fog as that wind picks up through the afternoon. You can see the high temperatures tomorrow still closing in on 80 degrees inland, but Corpus Christi at 75, 76 Robstown, to upper 60s right at the coastline. So we did get a change around with that wind. With the south winds, you can see that made a big difference in temperatures in South Texas today. To the north, though, there's still some cooler air in here, and that is going to stay north of us through the weekend. There's a front, but it doesn't quite make it here. What we are going to see when we will cool down is next Tuesday, and that's behind this next system developing here out in the Pacific. This is the cold front that comes in late Monday, and as it does, it's going to bring rain chances and bring temperatures down a bit too. So here is a look. Starting with tomorrow, we have our clouds that return tomorrow, so a partly cloudy sky for your Saturday, breezy and still above average on temperatures with that southeast wind after some morning fog. Sunday may get a couple of showers around Sunday. Certainly not much. Not going to ruin your outdoor plans for sure, but there may be a few out there, and the winds pick up. So the better chance of rain will be early in the day Sunday, as the winds will be dominating in the afternoon. Monday, here comes that Pacific front. It doesn't get here till later on, so we still warm up Monday, but we'll also see the chance for a few showers developing. Better chance those are going to hold off until Tuesday. That front stalls out. It's going to just kind of sit there for a couple of days before it finally pushes out of here by Thursday. And with that, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, and Wednesday mornings are a better chance of getting some rain. And you can see that wind direction from the northeast. That means we're going to be cooler. As far as the rainfall amounts with this, they've come up a little bit today on the forecast models, but this is for the next 7 days, all the way into next week. And you'll see that we're looking at 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Some spots maybe a little more. Here's your Action 10 weather 7-day forecast then. Notice the temperatures stay above average. Look at the nights in the 60s all the way through Sunday night. And our better chance of rain coming in late Monday and into Tuesday. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. That rain moves out as temperatures start to warm just in time for Valentine's Day.